Good morning to all of you. Welcome to online classes of Sardar Patel Inter College, Jorali Phase 2. I am Amit Pandey. Here is another video number 15, related to exercise 3D. In last day, in video number 14, we have studied about till question number 27. Okay, students? And I am sure that you have to solve till question number 27. Now, starting my video with question number 28. Okay, let's see. The questions are very important. We are using cross multiplication method in this exercise. So then start with question number 28. And the question number 28 is that the first equation is ax minus by is equal to a plus b, and the second equation is bx plus ay is equal to b minus a. Very carefully, because the calculation is lengthy in these types of questions, because we are using cross multiplication method. So now in cross multiplication methods, I start with x upon y upon 1 upon. Okay, student? Now see, here is x, then that will be minus b, and here is a. Minus b, a, and here is b1, b2, c1, c2. c1 is forward here, that is here. That will be minus a plus b. Okay, and that's here, that will be minus b minus a. Okay, students, that is x upon. If we talk about y upon, so that will be the copied minus a plus b upon minus b minus a. And here is that's this and this, a upon b. That is b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2, that is c1 upon c2, a1 upon a2, a1 upon a2. Okay, and here is constant terms, so that will be a upon b, and second one is minus b upon a. That is, now we are multiplying by that side, that side, that side. This will be x upon minus minus plus b, b minus a, minus, that is minus, so that will be plus a plus b. That is x upon. Here is y upon, that is minus b, a plus b, minus, that's minus will be plus, that is a b minus a, and here is 1 upon a square minus that is plus b square. Okay, students, you got it? Now here, that is x upon multiplied by b, that will be b square minus ab plus a square plus ab cancelled. Here is y upon, that will be minus ab minus b square plus ab minus a square, ab cancelled again. Here is 1 upon a square plus b square. Now if when x upon b square plus a square is equal to 1 upon a square plus b square, then y upon, here is minus b square, here is minus a square, minus will be common, that is a square plus b square is equal to 1 upon a square plus b square. Okay, students, now see, here is a square, b square, a square cancel, then the value of x is equals to 1. Okay, here is that will be cancelled, same minus 1 will be multiplied by, then y is equal to minus 1. This was the solution of question number 28. Students, you got it very easily. Is there any problem? You can contact me. That was the question number 28. Now let's see question number 29. Question number 29. If you want to note this question, you pause the video and note it. Okay. Now see, there is question number 29. What is the question number 29? Question number 29 is that a upon x minus b upon y is equal to 0, and second one is ab square upon x plus a square b upon y is equals to a square plus b square. Here is a problem. The problem is that our variables x and y in denominator, not in numerator. If x and y are in denominator, so in first we should let, that's previous question, we should let 1 by x is equal to m and 1 upon y is equal to m. Okay. Now we solve for m and n. So that will be am minus bn is equal to 0. That will be ab square m plus a square bn is equal to a square plus b square. Now we are applying cross multiplication method for m and n. So that will be m upon, that will be n upon, that will be 1 upon. Because here is m and n, so we are solving for m and n. So here x and y is not present, there is m and n. So there is m, so we take b1, b2, c1, c2. b1, b2, c1, there is 0, and c2, that side, minus a square plus b square. Okay, you got it? Okay, here is n, so we take c1, c2, a1, a2. c1, c2, that is, and a1, a2, that is a, that is a b square. Okay, now here for constant term, here is we take a1, a2, b1, b2, a1, a2, that is, and b1, b2, here is b1 is minus b and b2 is a square b. This is, now we are multiplying by that side, that will be m upon minus minus plus b a square plus b square, that will be 0. Here is n upon, that will be 0, minus, that is minus, that is 0, minus, that is minus, so that will be plus a square plus b square, and here is 1 upon, that will be a cube b minus, that will be minus, that will go to plus a b cube. This is the solution. Now we take this and this, and second this, take this and this. Now see, here is m upon b a square plus b square is equal to 1 upon, here is common ab, so that will be a square plus b square when for m, and here is when for n, so that will be n upon a square plus b square is equals to 1 upon common was ab, that will be a square plus b square. Now see, here is a square b square cancelled, here is a square b square cancelled. Now see, that will be m upon b is equal to 1 upon ab, and that will be n upon a is equal to 1 upon ab. Now see, here is b cancelled, then n is equal to 1 upon a. Here is a cancelled, there is n is equal to 1 upon b. Okay students? Here is n is equal to 1 upon a, there is n is equal to 1 upon b. Put the value of m and n here. So 1 upon x is equal to m, and the m value is 1 upon a. Cross multiplication, x is equal to a. 1 upon y is equal to n. The n value is 1 by b. Cross multiplication method, y is equal to b. So this is the solution of your simultaneous equations of linear equation in two variables. X is equals to a and y is equals to b. The questions are very lengthy, so solve it very carefully. Here is question number 28 and 29. Let's see question number 30 similarly. Now question number 30. In question number 30, the question number 30 is that ax plus by, that's here minus a square is equals to 0, and the second one is bx plus ay, that's here minus b square is equals to 0. We are using cross multiplication method. So first one is x upon, that is y upon, that is 1 upon. So that will be b1, b2, c1, c2. Here is c1, c2, a1, a2. Here is a1, a2, b1, b2. Multiply by that side, multiply by that side, multiply by that side. So that will be x upon, multiply by minus b cube. That will be minus minus plus a cube. Here is y upon minus a square b, minus minus, that will be plus ab square. Here is 1 upon a square minus b square. Now when x upon, that will be a cube minus b cube is equals to 1 upon a square minus b square. That is your first choice. And the second is y upon, here is ab square minus a square b is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. Now see, we are forwarding here. That will be x upon a cube minus b cube upon a square minus b square. Now we applying identities a cube minus b cube. The identities is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, and here is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, a minus b, a minus b cancelled. This is your answer, a square plus b square plus ab upon a plus bx. Okay, now here we are forwarding here, that is ab square minus a square b upon a square minus b square. That will be common is ab, so that will be b minus a. Here is applying identity a minus b, a plus b. Now see, that is b minus a, that is a minus b, common is minus sign common. That will be a minus b upon a minus b, a plus b, a minus b, a minus b cut. That is your answer. Y is equals to minus ab upon a plus b is the answer. This was the solution of these equations. Now question number 31. Now because the video is too long, so I will tell you from question number 31 in next video, video number 16. So please see the video and note it in your fair copy. Meet you tomorrow. Okay.